After we have built our rack PV layout, we need to place cable trenches on the drawing. First, we need to determine cable type we will place trench for. Click on the Cable and Civil option. In the Cable and Civil ribbon, go to the Cable Calculation section. From the Select Cable drop-down menu, select one of these options. Input DC, direct current cable which going from strings to string cabinets inverters. Output DC, direct current cable which going from string cabinets to inverters. Low voltage AC, from inverter to LV cabinets alternating current cable. After we have selected cable type, we need to place cables tray on the drawing. Select Trench Path option. Click on the first point on the model space. Further, click through the drawing specifying next points of the trench. Next, placing principle should be respected. Trench paths in general should be laid out in direction from strings to appropriate inverters. Usually, near the rack rows, trenches are placed perpendicular to them, horizontally for east-west and vertically for south-oriented systems. We use different trench sizes depending on cable size and number that should be placed in. After you will finish your cable trench drawing, press Enter or Space. After this, in Cursor box, you will need to enter the depth value. This will determine how deep the trench will be buried in the ground. We will put the depth to be 1 meter underground. To finish your cable trench creation, press Enter or Space. The trench line will be placed into your model. Trenches for each cable type will belong to appropriate layer.